Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Risk of Rain 2. I'm gonna try to retry with my past failure as, past two failures as to clear even the first or second stage. Let's just jump into it. Oh, by the way, I made a new account, so I don't have any of the new weapons unlocked, I don't have the new artifacts unlocked. I'm just gonna start without any of those things. And I have one of the basic characters. Okay, what does R do? R? Oh, it's a machine gun type of shooting. Okay, should I get some of the... no we don't. Yeah, I want that red chest. And I'm gonna get it. Wait. No, I'm not gonna take another shot from you guys. Stop! Stop right there. If I shoot a bit slower, I'm gonna have more accuracy in my shots. So that's the plan for now. Alright. Let's see. I'm somewhat sure I saw some chests over here. Didn't I? I'm sure I did. Oh, there's something up there. Just mark it so I don't lose it again. And that's the portal to the next level, and as all same as last time, I'm gonna activate them as soon as I find any of them. Oh, well, that is if I don't find any more chests. Okay, how do I get up there? Oh, that's not a chest. Okay, let's get to it. Let's go. I don't want to spend half an hour just for one stage. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, it's this guy. Well, we're either gonna have an easy win or we're gonna get destroyed so hard. Wait, does it get... When did I allow you to heal that guy? Am I gonna be able to survive this? Okay, does making a new account was okay. Why do I die so easily? Alright. You know what? No more jokes. No more jokes. I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna pick this guy and I'm gonna have a good time with it. And I'm gonna mark this chest to come back to it the moment I find some money. Seems like money found me. Okay, that's $4. I need 4 more. 2 more of these guys should do the trick. Okay, since I have some some sort of teleportation with this guy. I'm hoping that I wouldn't be in that much of a trouble. But by getting the teleportation, this guy loses a lot of health. And a lot of fire rate. I can barely shoot. Okay, there's one chest down there, and something down here. Okay, I'm not gonna pick up the item. Well, not for now. Okay, that one is out of my auto aim range. Wait, when did you get here? Okay, I'm just gonna pick up this and go for the next one. Okay, this is the monster log, which I'm still not sure what's the use of though. Oh god. Oh no. Okay. I got the mushroom. One of the most useless stuff when you need to constantly move around the place. But it's good. Because I have no other choice but to accept any item that I can get my hands on right now. Okay, let's open this. So let's go for the wait. This gold card is one of the best items I can find. Okay, this run looks a lot better now. I'm just gonna use an ultimate for you. How about this? And just with that, oh, even better, I can scrap my golden mushroom, the totally useful item. Okay, now it's time for finding the boss. No more messing around. I'm just gonna go. Oh, another mushroom. Good one. Good one, game. Oh, no, you know what? I'm gonna let you hit me. One more time. And now I'm gonna get rid of you. Because with that one hit I can, well, get some more items. Because this item right here, each time I take damage I can get some money for each point of damage I've taken. Do I wait for some more enemies? Do I take some damage, or do I just go for it? Yeah, I think you can already guess what I'm gonna do. One more shot. I'm gonna give you one more free shot. Well, good job. Even with a free shot you can't hit me. Okay, I'm gonna buy all of these items. So you see, when the game gives you a golden card, or what's the items card? The exclusive card, you can buy every single item from these things. Wait, no. And from whatever you buy, you get a 10% discount automatically. So it's one of the best items I can, basically one of the best items I can get from one of the earlier stages. To be honest, it's one of the best items no matter what kind of stage you're in. but the earlier you get it, the better. What kind of item am I getting? Can you not shoot me? I know there are some more enemies other than the boss, but I messed up, I messed up, I messed up! Oh god. Well, I'm alive. And the boss is not. So I count that as a complete win. It's my complete victory, even though I lost one item in that process. Now I just need to keep the enemies at bay until this reaches 100%, then I'll go take that item and I'll be on my way. Alright, this run looks a lot brighter than the last ones. How many bounces does my secondary attack get? I feel like it's a lot. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I found one of the lunar coins. And I'm just gonna go ahead and buy all of these because I can. And let's just go through the portal. Okay, this is the first time I could finish this portal. Well, the first time in the last few days. In the past I could have gotten through the first 5 or maybe 10 without even blinking an eye, but I guess my skills have gotten somewhat rusty. Okay, I do have a question. If I damage myself, do I get anything out of it? If I... yeah, I do. And this needs more money. It's fine, I already have it. Right, this is easily one of the best runs I've had in a while. And so, I'm gonna try to give away my mushrooms for some crits. And there goes my shield. There goes my best item. Okay, this thing is not getting my mushrooms. It's only gonna get the best items I have. And, well, I've already committed. Let's go for some more. It's gonna take my stun grenade. It's gonna take another stun grenade. Okay, I seriously don't have... It's gonna take my attack speed. Okay, okay. Let's see how many items. Okay, something other than the mushroom. The only item that I want to get rid of is the only item that it doesn't want to take from me. Okay, I don't have any more... okay, I don't have any more healing items. But I do a good amount of crits. Now it takes the mushroom. Now after it took all of my items, no, it's not gonna take both mushrooms. Of course, why not? Why would it do that? And now I'm gonna get my last mushroom out of the way. And you know what? I'm somewhat sure of this. Each and every item I'm gonna get, they're all gonna be mushrooms from now on. Oh no, you don't. I just gave away every single one of my defensive items for some crits, and oh, I'm gonna get some max health, and oh, thank God. I would have been so mad if it gave me any mushrooms. Okay, I'm getting some of my items back. I'm getting some stuff back. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to loot every single item in the map, but I am gonna be able to loot this stuff until I find the boss. And the moment I find him, I'm gonna go for it. Oh, would you look at that? My dear old friend. Right here. Right here. Okay, no, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at the game. It's not doing this just to piss me off. If I tell myself that enough times, it's gonna become true. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, and I don't want to spend money on the mushroom. I'm not spending any more money on the mushroom when I can see what I'm gonna get. Okay, here's the boss, and there's an item which oh, it's gonna change all of my mushrooms. Now every time I run I get healed. So now the useless mushrooms become useful. This is great. Just after I lost all of my items just trying to get rid of the mushrooms. This is perfect. But that one's on me. I'm not gonna blame it on the game. But the fact that it didn't let me change any of my items, that's on the game. That's completely on the game. I'm not gonna take any responsibility for that. The fact that the game just refuses to change any... okay, I'm just gonna be salty for a while now, aren't I? Okay, you know what? I'm happy with all the extra damage I got. Even though without having any actual damage, they're not gonna be that useful. But I'm happy. You're not gonna be able to do that much to me. And the boss is a beetle queen, so since it's on the ground, I have a way easier time dealing with him. And this is the beetle queen. As easy as that. Wait. Oh, I take damage even if I stand on top of the green goo for a moment. Okay, that doesn't really matter. And this run I'm gonna go to round 7. I'm gonna get the swordsman or the samurai, I'm not sure what it's called. But I'm gonna get him. Alright, there's well, to be honest, each and every one of my hits are guaranteed crits, which is good, depending on what you want to call good. Should I get rid of my crits? Maybe find a scrapper and scrap all of them? Okay, since it's right over there, I'm gonna try to hit it with my fourth ability. Okay, what's this? Damn, I do be doing a lot of crits. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice item. Wait, what was over there? And I'm gonna take that as fast as I can. 106. I only need... I don't need any more money. I can just buy it. And now I'm back in action. Alright, it doesn't seem that bad. Okay, I'm gonna let you hit me. Hit me. Okay, one more. Maybe one more. I'm not gonna let you hit me. Well, maybe I don't have that much of an option into letting or not letting you. Okay, if I would to kindly get another charge for my second skill, that would be perfect. Okay, now look for particles. Look for any kind of particles you can find into the air. Or some more chests. I accept both of them with a smile. Wait, why is this so expensive? I'm taking damage, but I'm not gaining any money. Should I do it? Should I get rid of all of my crits? I mean, I do want some of them, not all of them. I think the max you can get with the crits is just 10, if I'm not wrong. You can get 10, then the rest just do nothing, they're just there. Okay, I'm not seeing anything. I think that's a chest. Yeah, that is. I'm gonna jump towards it. Perfect jump like always. We all gonna pretend my messing up didn't happen at all. And you guys are gonna pretend with me. What to do? Damn, I'm good. There's no one even better than me exists in this game. Well, because this is a single player game, and I'm better than good. The item that the game just throw at me is something that is gonna guarantee I can get through the game without that much of a trouble. Okay, I'm gonna just get these guys, and they're just gonna take care of the rest. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, I guess one dagger doesn't do that much. Oh, there are the particles, and I'm guessing... Yep, there's the boss. But I did saw another chest over here. So let's just jump into it. Get this open, get this, and there's only one more triple chest for me to open. And I think I already have the money for it. I do. And if I can remember vaguely where the... oh, here's another chest. And would I take the risk of converting another one of my items? Oh, it's another one of the mushroom ones, so it's fine. Alright. Nothing else? Alright, then I guess I go challenge the boss. Okay, come out now. What? Okay. I don't see that much trouble defeating you, but I guess that just might be me. No, that might not be only me. Have I gotten that good at the game? Or am I just getting lucky? Actually, don't answer that. I'm just good at the game. They're getting destroyed even before they can have a chance to come into the map. Who else wants to fight me? Who else wants to fight the great... the character looks like female to me. The Great Queen. Or the Great King. I'm not sure. To be honest, it looks like a robot. Alright, no more challengers. Oh, there are some more. And they're gonna get this. They're gonna get completely destroyed before even getting a chance to. Without dying. Yep, that's a pretty good achievement, I guess. Okay, here we go. Stage 4, what do you have for us? Oh, it's this place. I think I vaguely remember this. There are supposed to be some sort of eggs around the place, which I'm gonna try to destroy. Something is taking damage down there. And if I'm not wrong, it should be... Oh, there's another one of the eggs. Here's one oh, I found the third egg. And yeah, that's why the things were taking damage over there. Oh, they're taking damage from my daggers. That is one of the places that... Well, the void-like places which, if I enter it, I take damage continuously. But I didn't knew that my daggers are... well, I guess I should have known. The daggers go through all the map. They don't really care of where is the enemy. As long as there's any enemy in the map, they're gonna go for it. Alright, more crits. Why not? Even more crits? Nope. And do you have anything on you? Oh, I don't think so. Oh, you're one of the corrupted ones. And I missed one of the items back there. Okay, you're not gonna be that hard to deal with. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Alright. I'm just gonna... why not? Let's just activate them. Most of the times they're just some waste of money, but this time we don't have that much problem with the money. And let's teleport down here. Let's take all of the... I thought I had more money. Okay, now I might get the money I need. Or I might not. Okay, now we have the guitar. And this place is open. I guess I'm gonna just go here and see what... I'm not gonna give 50% of my health. What do you do? Wait. Don't attack me. I'm looking at the item. Oh, it's one of these things. Okay, whatever. It doesn't really matter that much. Let's go look for the last egg. Oh, I guess I've just found it. Okay, I'm not gonna take any more, let's say, equipment, because the equipment I got, well, it might not do any damage. I wanted to say it might not do the best damage, but to be honest, it doesn't do any. But it's the best in my eye. And, well, I have no reason to argue with well, I have no reason to look at any other items when I have the best one on my hand. Okay, I'm not sure what... Oh, that's the item I choose to get. Okay, here's the boss, and I really don't wanna... So the reason I'm not activating this one right now is because of that guy. Yeah, he just came to life the moment I was going to explain why I'm not activating the boss. Because this is another boss, which gives us a free item if we defeat it. But then again, defeating it does take quite a lot of time. Can you not destroy me? No. No, I'm out of there. I'm out. Great. I'm not gonna get destroyed after all I've been through. Again with all the tricks. Just stop it. Oh, no you don't. Don't heal him. Do not heal him. Okay, I'm out. Barely. Can you not give me that much of a hard time? Just get destroyed already. Or just... I'm gonna get so stressed just because of this one boss. Can you please just don't give me any more trouble? Oh, I even said please. Just go away. Oh god, that's over. Okay, your drones fire faster and other stuff. Okay, whatever. It doesn't really matter, and I'm not gonna... You know what? If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. I'm not gonna skip the challenge of the mountains. Even if this is our last stage, I'm not gonna chicken out of this. Okay, let's see what the game has to offer for us. We're gonna have a double boss. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. But I think I can manage. As long as I'm not on the exact place they're gonna land, I should be fine. I should be fine. Yeah, see? Easy. It was extremely easy, and I got a useless item for the reward. The game gave me the game almost gave me a heart attack, and it didn't even give me a good item to compensate for it. Alright, I don't think there is anything I need to do about this stuff. Just like the last stage, the daggers are gonna carry me through this. Are they? Is there even any more units? I guess not. Huh. Something. Oh. Alright. Oh no, you don't take you don't get to damage me. Huh. Okay, this is one of the more important places. We need to remember that we are absolutely in need of well, not in need of, we need to change the teleporter before we activate it, otherwise we get sent to the last stage. If we change it, we can go to the stage 6. If we don't, we go to the moon, and I really don't want to go to the moon right now. Okay, let's just challenge these guys. Okay, there's nothing much. I don't feel like these guys are that much of a threat. I just activated them for some extra cash. So let's just go ahead and unlock. Okay, nice. I'm gonna activate this thing and go and try my chance a bit more. I'm not gonna change my item with that, and that's great. The game has been more smooth than the last one so far. Oh. Okay, enemies are level 20, I'm level 16, I'm way closer than I should be. The enemies should overpower me by a huge margin by this time of the game. But I guess since I exchange all of my money for XP at the end of each run, it all works out. Okay, what? More gold when we take damage. Like before, I'm gonna open the chests until I find the boss, then I'm gonna go and challenge the boss. And the only exception to that is I'm alive. And I found the teleporter. Well, I guess it worked out somehow. I'm gonna change this. Yep, aligned with the planet. That's what we want to see, and get some leeching seeds. We're gonna get healed by each hit by each time we do damage to any of the enemies. We're gonna get some HP back. Okay, what is this? Oh, these guys again. Oh, these guys are easy. These guys are extremely easy. Not even a problem. Not even the slightest problem. Okay. Anyone else would like to challenge me? What is... Oh, Oh. You guys want to challenge me? Well, too bad. Oh, I took damage, didn't I? I wanted to finish this without taking any damage, so... I guess that's a fail. There are some enemies over there in the distance. I'm not sure what they're doing, but oh, I'm done with this place. I'm just gonna open this chest and be on my way. More shurikens. Well, I'm gonna be honest, they're not that useful because with this character you don't need to aim per se, you just need to look at their general direction and just click. Okay, stage 6, and I have 2 gunners. And 1 chest. Anyone daring to attack me? Alright. Oh. Okay, I think I'm about to face against bosses. From now on, each stage should have at least one boss to fight against. And you know what? I'm just gonna damage you from here. I really don't want to deal with you if I don't have to. And it seems like I don't. Okay. Just barely. Just barely. Where was the thing that I was going to repair? Yep, it's over there. Should I give 50% of my health? Or should I give 50% of my health? It's the clear answer. Oh. What is this? Full enemies at... Oh. If I attack anyone that's full, they're gonna explode. But if they're not full, they're not gonna explode. So what the Will of the Wisp do? It explodes enemies upon dying. But after the change, they're just gonna explode when they're about to take damage, if they're not damaged at all. I wish I would have found some more speed until now. Wait, I didn't find any items though. It's probably fine. We're gonna be fine. Okay, where's the stone? Oh, 2 stone titans. No, you don't. No, 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 no. What do we get? Ignition tank? Okay, this is gonna be a much larger video comparing to the last one, and just like the last one, this is not gonna be a edited one, so you're gonna watch the whole journey. You're not gonna be able to damage me anymore. The archer or the ranger, I'm not sure what she's called. It's one of the best characters you can find. Well, for the early game at least. There's something right outside the range, which I'm just gonna run, open it, and what's that thing? Is that a chest I see out there? Well, sorry about the hold up, but can you resist the chest? Well, that's not that much of a useful item, but we'll take it. We'll take it nonetheless. And let's go for the next stage. Can I damage that? I guess not. Okay, cleansing center. And what do I get here? Is it worth the risk to lose one of my useful items for some attack speed or movement speed? I'm not sure which one is it. Okay, let's use one of them. Oh no, this is the money generating thing. Oh, a sprint speed. Okay, it's not that useful, but it's not useless, so I'll take it. I was just talking about wanting to go a bit faster, and now I guess I am going a bit faster. Any enemies? You are really welcome to attack me, since I need some money to open any of the chests I found. Okay, they're getting killed from the daggers or from the flame debuff. I'm not sure. Okay, just get up there. Alright, we're looking golden. Literally. We're looking so golden that we can just sit here and oh, another golden card. Sure, I'm gonna take it. Okay, I see the particles. Oh no, no, that's not good. I just pressed D by default and almost lost my golden item. Okay, let's get this. What do we have? Another guitar. Beetle Queen, make it make it triple, not even double. Okay, if one of them gets destroyed, the rest will get destroyed pretty fast. See? And they recruit a beetle guard. Okay, this is our friend. Let's call him, what do you look like? You're big. You're somewhat slow. We'll call you Bob. Let's say hello to Bob. He is here to stay with us until the end of this run. And he means business. But he can't shoot at any of the air units, so let's give him a break. I can wait. I can mount on him? That's new. Okay, Pop, do you wanna move anywhere? Oh, I can't move with him anywhere. I guess that's okay. There are two things over here. I'm gonna really fast get them and get back to the portal. Let's just go. Well, this run is not looking that bright. Why couldn't I find the portal yet? It should have been on the 7th stage. This is not making any sense. Oh. Oh, these are useless. Hmm. I'm not gonna take any of those equipment, but I am going to spend some money trying to get... Wait, that thing can jump? I didn't knew that. We take some more damage. No, I just realized I don't have any other stats effects. I don't have any slow, I don't have any damage over time, I don't have any bleed. Which I guess is not good. I don't have any luck, it seems. Oh! Well, I don't have $1,000,000. I'm waiting for a call. Well, it seems like that only works inside the game, not outside. Each time I say I don't have something, it's just gonna give it to me in the next run. Okay, let me check something real quick. And this run is gonna take quite a long time. Okay, we're approaching the special units territory, which is not good if you ask me. That thing just carrying the exclusive card, thinking it can do something with it. Okay, let's see how fast we can react to this. Stop. This is something, I guess. And this is more of something. Even more of that same thing. Nope. More bleed. Whoa. Where is the boss? I kinda miss him. Yeah, I shouldn't let these guys go. If they could leech onto anything, they make it way stronger and way harder to deal with. Especially so in the later stages of the game. Okay, those things do look like particles, but I'm sure they're not. Let's just take whatever. Nothing from here, maybe something from up there, nope. And let's just... oh! Now I can see it. Go! I almost got myself done for over there. Okay, I just destroyed a bunch of you guys. And now they're attacking in patches of 4. Well, that's not so fair now, is it? Okay, I'm gonna see what you guys gonna do. 15 boss monster in a single run, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna need to be conscious not to press this one after this run is over. It can really cost me a lot if I do. But, well, I guess these guys are not gonna just get one shot with the daggers anymore. So since I'm gonna have to put some effort into it, I'm gonna just do that. You can't get close to me. No one can. 97, 98, 99 and 100. Let's go. This has been my best run in the past week or so. Well, I haven't practiced. I wanted to get into this without having any new tricks up my sleeve. Just so you guys can enjoy me getting destroyed by the monsters even more. Wait! Nope! Okay, I'm gonna drop. How far am I gonna drop? Hello? Alright, this is gonna lead to here, and this is gonna lead to this. Okay, I'm getting a hang of it. It needs patience. And a lot of it. Or you need to have a bunch of feathers, which can make you be able to double and triple jump. And if you don't have that, you just need patience. Okay. Obliterate myself from existence. Sounds like a deal. Let's go. We're gonna sacrifice ourselves for the greater good of the whole universe. I suppose. I'm not sure if we're actually gonna do that for the universe or not. But here we are. We completed it and we have the... what are you called? We have the mercenary unlocked. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to do a rating on the video and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.